Hello, this is Kevin Heiser with IT Martini. I'm here at Columbus, Ohio at IT Martini Hour 17. And I'm with Pete from Blue Campaign Solutions. Hello, Pete. How are you doing?
Good. How are you doing?
Doing great. Blue Campaign Solutions. Tell me a little bit about that. What are you doing?
Well, we provide software and websites mostly to political campaigns. We started here in the Central Ohio area in 2007, and we've provided software and websites to federal, state, county, and local campaigns.
Wow, so it sounds like you're covering all the campaigns. Is there a particular area that you don't cover?
We are willing to branch out anywhere in the United States. So.
Excellent, excellent. And you mentioned federal, and then you also mentioned local. It seems like local, there would be a lot more races on a regular basis. And I don't understand how the whole political thing works. As far as I just see a lot of people running regularly, so it sounds like it would be a good business to be in because you've always got new customers. Is that about right?
It is. It's somewhat recession-proof in that there's going to be a new campaign every single cycle, and somebody's going to have to run in it. So it's been it's been very very good to us to have something that's consistent like that you always have something new customers coming up.
Yeah, it definitely sounds like something that's a little bit recession-proof, and like you said, in the bad economy, people still have money to pay for political campaigns, and it sounds like you've got a great offering to really help people that this isn't something they would be able to do on their own. So you're doing the websites, and I think you said you're doing some call tracking, maybe some fund tracking and so forth. Tell me a little bit about the call tracking piece.
So Call Time Pro is our flagship piece of software. Candidates spend a tremendous amount of time on the phone trying to raise money, so they need a way to track who do they talk to, when did they talk to them, how much did they raise, what was the last time they called them, all of those details. And our solution is much more elegant than a bunch of Excel spreadsheets or the back of envelopes, which we've seen before. So it's something a little bit more polished and available anywhere 24/7 just from your computer and any web browser.
Sounds like an amazing platform. Sounds like it would do a lot for a campaign as far as compliance, just performance and productivity, things of that nature. But it also sounds like there's probably a lot of room that there's continued value you're going to be able to add. What kinds of things do you have coming up for Call Time Pro?
We have two exciting things that we're working on now. One is some voice over IP features so that people can do click to dial to immediately call the person they're contacting. It's all about efficiency and improving the rate at which they're able to make calls and raise money. And we're also looking at using the data that's available in campaigns different ways. In one case, perhaps creating an exchange so that data from one campaign they could choose to utilize another campaign could use for their fundraising, so they could basically sell their data to each other to raise money for their own campaign and improve the overall quality of the database.
Sounds excellent. Well, tonight I've asked everybody the same question I'm going to ask you. There's 9 companies here that are startups based out of Columbus. And there's a lot of good companies here, a lot of great competition. You guys are doing some wonderful things. We've got 800 people that are going to be here, or more, but at least 800, that are going to be voting on you. What's the one thing you want them to remember when they go to the ballot box to put you over the top for Community Choice Award?
We've been here since 2007, and we're post-revenue, and we think we have a strong model with the various campaigns that we work with, and think that we're really filling a niche that isn't otherwise out there. That we're doing something different than any other company that's really in the country with some of our offerings with the websites and Call Time Pro software.
Excellent. Well, I definitely wish you the best of luck tonight, and thank you for being here tonight.